Hi guys, it's Hayden and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I last filmed a video. No idea when I last uploaded a video. However, I am back to do a what I got for Christmas 2021.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
So basically, to explain how my Christmas day goes. So today I woke up at my dad's house, which is where I live, which is where I am right now. I woke up at my dad's house and then I went to my mum's this morning, opened presents with my mum and stepdad, and his mum and dad and my mum's dad, my granddad. Anyway, so I opened presents with them this morning, and then spent all day with them, had Christmas day with them, and then came back here, opened presents with my sister and my dad, and then tomorrow we'll have like Christmas dinner and stuff with like my dad's side of the family, if that makes sense. So anyway, without further ado, I'm literally just gonna dive into what I got. So excited and super happy with what I got this year. I'm very grateful. So I think the first thing I'm going to start off with from my mum. She got me some tattoos. She paid for 3 of my tattoos for Christmas. So I got these 2. This one is a coat hanger, which I know is very random, but it signifies the right to choose your own path. And then the flame one signifies passion. So I got them 2 on my arm the other day. So adding nicely to my arm. And then I also got this one. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but I also got this neck piece on my neck, which is my sister's birthday, and it's already started to peel, but yeah, I just got them. So that was one thing that my mum got me. I usually get socks every year. It's just like a typical thing that I get, and I just got some Adidas socks. Let me move those back over here. I just got some Adidas socks because obviously with dancing and stuff, I dance in socks pretty much all the time, so it's just good to have new socks, if that makes sense. So yeah, anyway, I got some socks. Then again, typical every year, some chocolate coins. If you don't get chocolate coins for Christmas, is it really Christmas? No. Next up, we've got a pack of face masks. Then I got this 40 speedy cakes to make in the microwave, which I think was really cute. It's like this little book. Whoa. This little book that's just got like these recipes in it on how to make different types of like mug cakes, which I just think was really cool. Next, you got me 2 bottles of my favourite light body spray. It's just the Blossom from Superdrug. It's because it smells... This video is a mess. It smells like Alien. So if you know what Alien smells like by Mugler, I don't know what you call it. All my friends love it. And anyway, I just got 2 bottles of it. My favourite. I got this really cute book. It is a RuPaul book, but it's a pocket RuPaul wisdom. So it's basically just got loads of quotes in here that he said, and like things that have been said on RuPaul's Drag Race and things that have been said around him, and like his favourite quotes, which I think is really cute. So whenever I'm feeling like shit, I could just go back to this and look at some of the quotes and it will make me feel better. So then for like more little bits, I just got some raspberry bubble bath. I don't think she got me a carton of milk at first, which I thought was a bit weird, but then I realised it was bubble bath. So I just got raspberry bubble bath. Next we have some fluffy socks. I love getting fluffy socks at Christmas. So for next we've got this IKEA candle. Now it is the like berry one, and it is the best candle in the world. It is my favourite candle I think ever. If I ever go to IKEA, I will not leave without that candle. I'll probably get like 3 of that candle, 3 of the vanilla ones, and loads of tea lights of that because I absolutely love it. Next, we've got this. This is actually like a table gift. So when we go and have our Christmas dinner, we have like table gifts. So I just got this inflatable bath mat, basically bath mate. Sorry, not bath mat. Inflatable bath mate, and basically you just stick it to the back of the bath, and then you can like lay with your head on it, and it's basically just a body with abs. And my mum thought it'd be funny to get me it, so we've got a bath mate. Next, one of the things that my sister got me was this little blush palette. Now, obviously, I don't actually wear makeup that much anymore. However, I do like try to get into drag, so this will be really handy with my drag because I don't have a blush palette like this. So that'll be really nice, and I was not expecting that. And then another thing, was this my sister? Yeah, this is another thing that my sister got me. It's just this orange hoodie, which I've been looking for an orange hoodie for so long, and not been able to find one. She just got me the PLT one, which is the worldwide one, which I freaking love. I think it's so cute, and I will be wearing this a lot. Another thing that my mum got me, just quickly jumping in while I edit this video, I'm in the hoodie that my sister got. So comfy. I keep saying my mum got me. It was my mum and my stepdad that got me the stuff. Like, they get me stuff together. However, for like the whole of this video, I keep saying my mum. But I do mean my mum and Paul, which is my stepdad. Anyway, back to the video. Was this like guardian angel thing, and it's basically got my birthday on it. 5th of January, coming soon, 20 years old. Yeah, it's just got my birthday on it, and a little stone, which I thought was really cute. So I'm gonna figure out where that's gonna go. Then, from basically my mum's best friend, is like an auntie. And she always gets us stuff, and we always get them stuff. But this year she just got me some gin. It's actually the only alcohol that I got this year, and it is the Parma Violet one. And when I tell you I love Parma Violet so much, this is the one. Next, this is from my stepdad's mum and dad. So they got me this like little notebook. Whoa. For like, again, little table gifts. I just got this little notebook, which is really cute. I actually don't think this is mine. I think I got the blue one. Or did I get black? I can't remember. I think I got black actually. But it's just a little table gift. So I got a little notebook. Next we got this little bag, a man bag, like satchel bag. This is also from my stepdad's mum and dad, and it's just this Daniel Hetcher little bag, and I think it's so cute. Like, it genuinely is so cute, and I know I'll definitely be getting my use out of that because I do love a good bag. A phone charging case. I did ask for this. I did know I was getting this, because my phone always dies, so I just wanted a battery case so I could actually like just put that on my phone when I go on a night out and my phone won't die. Because I'm sick of coming to the end of the night and my phone dies and then I can't get an Uber home. Like, I need to get an Uber home. So, yeah, now I don't have to worry about that. And I'm off to see it next year with one of my best friends. We'll have to watch it. So I'm so excited for that. But my mum bought me the top, which I was not expecting at all. And now I have, and everyone's talking about Jamie the musical top. Next, we just got this like PJ set. Next up, we've got a Adidas top, just a box of Maltesers. Okay, so like the last two things that I got from my parent, my mum and dad, my mum and my stepdad, are probably two of my favourite things in the entire world. One of them is a new thing that I've been absolutely obsessed with, and if you know me at this moment in time, you know that I freaking love Princess Diana. Ever since Diana the musical came out, I just became obsessed with her. My hamster is called Diana. I know it's a weird choice, but I chose it and I really like it and I absolutely love it. But now I have the Diana book, in her own words, by Andrew Morton. Her true story, the Sunday Times #1 bestseller. Bro, I'm genuinely so excited to read this. I'm gonna absolutely binge it. So yeah, thank you so much for that. And then another thing that I absolutely love is the Titanic. If you didn't know, I have My Heart Will Go On tattooed on me. It is my favourite film in the entire world. Like, hands down, the best movie in the world. Don't care what you think. it is the best movie. And my mum's got me this little thing, and it has Titanic in it. Then it has a picture of like the cover of the film with the signatures of Leonardo DiCaprio and Kate Winslet on there. And then next to that, it has like a little clip, a little thing from the real movie. Like, I just couldn't believe it. I don't know if you can see it because of the ring light. Yeah, just got the signatures. That's like from the actual film thing. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm so grateful for these two things. I think these two things are probably like the best thing that I got this year. As sad as that might sound to people, that to me is the best thing ever. Okay, so before this video gets any longer, I'm going to quickly, well, not quickly, but I'm going to go through now what my dad got me, because this video is going to be way too long, and I'm going to have a lot of editing to do tonight, so... Hi, it's me again. I've been editing this video all night last night. It is now Boxing Day, so my video didn't go up at 10 AM. However, I'm still editing this video, and to clarify, I had already been filming for 35 minutes. So, the fact that I've already managed to cut this down to 11 minutes is great. But we've still got the other half to go, so I'm just going to have to get it done so I can get it up for 6 o'clock tonight. If you're watching it on Boxing Day, it got up at 6 o'clock. First of all, we didn't actually get a stocking from my mum this year, but we got it from my dad. And it's just like chocolate and stuff. Quickly, we've got a big bar of chocolate. We've got some fruit pastels. We've got some Smarties. My favourite chocolate, After Eight. We've got some Kit Kat, Malteser, another favourite, absolute favourite of mine. And then a little... Oh, it's Lindt chocolate, I didn't realise. Aww. It's a little Lindt chocolate. So that is my little stuffing fillers. So next, I'm just going to go for like... Oh, I missed something. So my mum actually did get me this... it's like the sunset lamp. It's the one you see... The one you see all over TikTok. I finally got it. Which I'm gassed about, so my mum got me that. Nearly forgot to mention that. So, for my dad, so basically this year, because I've been wanting to get into the whole nail stuff, my dad spent a lot of money on getting me all the stuff to like basically start off my nail stuff. And I've got a lot of stuff. So for some smelly bits, we've got some Lynx Africa and some Nivea. Now I usually get this every year because it's just like staples in it. Like if you don't get some kind of smelly gift set, is it Christmas? No. Next, we've just got these like strip river lights. Next up, we just got some plain joggers. My favourite joggers are Primark joggers. And then we have these joggers. These are the green version. And I just think they're so cute. Like, I love them. And then I've also got the matching hoodie. I got another pair of the joggers. And I've got the matching hoodie, which I'm excited for. Because I don't have anything that's kind of white. That's like a matching set. Probably because I'll probably spill stuff all over it, but now I do. And then the last thing that I have to show you, I believe, is just this ring light. I used to have a ring light, but it ended up going to my old college and staying there. So I got a new one. And I actually prefer this one because this one like lights up different colours, which I think is really cool. It's got 32 different colours. Okay, tell me that's not cool. What the heck? Got some blue vibes. This is so cool. I did not... What? There we go. So, yes. That is everything that I got for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, Follow me on all my social medias. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had the best Christmas, and take care of yourself, stay safe, have the best New Year's, and I hope you had a great Christmas. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time for a brand new video. Bye guys.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's